Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and give you some helpful hints for you to figure out how to see what assignments are missing. So something that you can do is go to follow up and reports and then go to gradebook. When you go to gradebook, it'll show you here what has not been taken and what has been taken and your grade. Remember that if you took day one concept check and your score was a 70 or higher, you did not have to do attempt two. But if your score was not at least a 70, you were eligible to do attempt two to raise your score. So if you see day one concept check attempt two and it's blank, just know that that is because you did not have to take attempt two, as long as your first attempt was higher than a 70. And also remember that you can double check in Infinite Campus. I'm not going to pull that open and show everybody's grades, but you can double check in Infinite Campus what's marked as missing. I go in every day and update the grades that have been taken for that day, or the assignments that have been done for that day, so that you are up to date every single afternoon on what you do need to do. So just make sure that you're checking It's Learning and Infinite Campus both to make sure that you've completed all your assignments for me. Thank you.